My name is Drew, and I'm in the renovation department as a renovation lead. I started in the retail store, and then I kind of wanted to work outside, get my hands dirty, so they had an opening in the renovation department, and I've been with SPS for 6 seasons. I think it was mainly just the culture as well as just the variety of stuff that we do every day. Every pool is different. It's not like you're walking into the same backyard or like same pool every time. Each pool is unique as well as their equipment is unique too. So just kind of that variety is what I like about SPS. I'd say liners are our main focus. So a day in the life, basically you get to a house, you basically take out the old liner, clean everything up, and then you're putting in the new one and filling it. Otherwise, I'm measuring for new pool liners, doing some of the dirty concrete work here, running new lines for people. So we got a variety, which I do like, but I'd say our main focus, typical day, is doing liners. My name is Drew. I'm part of the renovation department, and if you like seeing swamps turned into beautiful pools, you should join the renovation department.
What do you think you're doing down there? Come on. Hi. Gotcha.